Hey guys, welcome back to Stinson Farms. Hey, we're at the National Farm Machinery Show today. We just got here a little bit ago, walking around, kind of overwhelming, but we're sitting in a 7724 Massey Ferguson. Cohen's checking it out. Back in the old days, we ran Masseys and Gleaners. Had good luck out of them. We're primarily John Deere now, but it's still a nice machine. These things have came a long way. What do you think about it, Cohen? Is it pretty cool? Yeah. All right. Well, guys, we're gonna walk around. Hopefully, we can see some pretty neat stuff, and we'll show you what we run into. Thanks for watching. So here's the Greenery S97. Pretty nice looking machine. Like we was talking about the grain hit on this thing. I don't know. Maybe this sign over here tells us how big it is, but it's yeah, it's offered in 25, 30, 35, and 40 foot widths. I don't know which one this one is. It's 35 or 40, I'm sure. But it is a nice machine. Well, we found one the boys' size. They think they can drive this one. $15.26. You gonna drive this one? Yeah. Can you drive it, Tate? All right, so we made it to the John Deere exhibit. We just walked in. We'll walk around here and we'll look at some of the tractors, some of their new equipment. Tate's done found him a little mower. Thinks he likes that pretty good. We'll see what John Deere's got. So Tate picked out his tractor, now Cohen's got him one picked out. Let's see, what is this? This is a 4066R. What do you think about it, Cohen?
It doesn't have a deuce.
Looks pretty comfortable in here.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull some trees out of the fan.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah, start up.
So we're on the other side of the John Deere exhibit, and it's a S300 disc spine. I don't know a lot about these. Of course, we've got a 630 Moco, and it does excellent. I really like it. And yes, I don't know how well you can see it, but this is a flail machine as well. Looks real similar to my 630. So they got a couple of their bigger tractors up here. It's a 6R. Well, not necessarily the bigger tractors. They're big to me. Got a 6R John Deere. I got a 6155 here. Nice looking machine. And the biggest tractor they got up here at the show this year is this 8R. And I'm not real familiar with these tractors or the horsepower or range of them. If you're used to the channel and watch the channel, you know all of our stuff is older stuff. Still like the new stuff. The 6155's hooked to a 1745 planter. Things have sure grown since the early years. Kubota M. It's a M7 172. It's a nice looking tractor. I've ran a Kubota in the past. Pretty good machines. Everywhere we go, boys find them something that they think they need. Are you Case International fans? Here's a Case International 9250. It's got tracks on it. Come around on this side of it, we'd see a little bit better. Still running the axle flow design that they started running back a few decades ago. Some of their other equipment they've got here. It's a 120C 95A. That's a pretty nice looking tractor. And here's a 420. This thing is a beast.
450, 10 years old, causing me no problem.
Just a little small thing.
This is the small one. 370, 420. Okay, so come on.
4450 Case International sprayer. I just bought a new sprayer. Hadn't received it yet, but y'all see it soon. But don't get your hopes up. It's not like this one. Well, Cohen found him something else to climb on. He likes all colors today. If it's got a steering wheel, he likes it. Hey guys, me and Cohen's setting up in a versatile 210. Pretty impressive machine. It's so I got the hood up, so you really can't get the real feel of what it looked like in it, but really nice instrument panel. Just a really nice machine. Got a real nice buddy seat. Got a cooler. And a huge price tag, I'm sure, but it is a nice looking machine. Got the swivel seat, so while you got your GPS running, driving for you, you can swivel your seat around and watch your equipment and what you're doing. So if you're old enough, you probably remember looking in the Sears catalog. When you see it, you as a kid, you immediately switch to the toy section, and you're flipping through, and it's a big wish book. Every toy in there, you see everything you could wish. Well, as an adult, if you're a farmer or you like farm equipment, this is your wish book. Things like this, really nice. You got the Vermeer display over here. Just about everything you could think of. There's a big farm set up. They got named the American Dream. Bunch of tractors in the field, trucks. Here we go. Grain bins. And we got a creek running to it. stock down on this end. Pretty cool. American Dream. So guys, we're standing here in front of the biggest tractor John Deere's got up here this year, the 8R. And we had a fun day up here. Just want to bring the boys up and give an opportunity to play on some of this new equipment and see what's out here. Talk to some people and see what's new. If you've watched our channel, you know we do things the old way and still use old equipment, and that's what I prefer. But it's nice to see this new shiny stuff. So guys, we appreciate you being here. Glad you watched, and we'll see you next time.